Hi there, my name's Mallory. First of all, I want to say thank you for purchasing our microgreen grow kits. We appreciate your support for our small family business. I also want to say welcome to the microgreens world and welcome to our YouTube channel, Living Life Barefoot. I do encourage you to hit the subscribe button after you've watched this video so you can go check out all of our other videos. With the purchase of this kit, you have received a 4-part video series walking you through how to use our microgreen grow kits and grow your very own microgreens. Before we get started, I want to go ahead and share with you what else we offer on our website at barefootmicrogreens.com. We have 10 by 10 black solid trays. You'll understand why we offer this on our website as you go through these videos, but I just wanted to let you know that we do have these online for purchase. We have our very own Barefoot Microgreens harvesting knives. These knives are amazing for not only harvesting your microgreens, but other produce as well. So be very careful if you purchase these knives. They're very, very sharp. I use these knives when harvesting my microgreens in my business. So I use these quite often. It is the best harvesting knife ever. So you can check these out on our website. I'm very proud to talk about this one. This is my Tiny Greens Big Dreams Launch Your Own Microgreens Business course book. I not only love teaching people how to grow microgreens for themselves and their families, but I also love encouraging and motivating people to start their very own microgreens business. This is basically a blueprint of how I started my microgreens business, successfully grew my microgreens business to bring me home so I could do it full time. If you want to learn more about this book, please check out barefootmicrogreens.com. You can find all the information there, as well as feel free to shoot me an email and ask me any questions that you might have. But I'm very, very proud of this, and I just want to let you know that with the purchase of this book, you also get me for 30 minutes. You get a 30-minute consultation to answer any questions you might have in starting your very own microgreens business. We also offer seed reorders. So when we go through the kits, you'll see that the seed packets that come inside the kit are pre-measured for our kits. You can actually order more seeds through us online so you can continue to use your kits. All right, let's go through these kits and see what we have. Your kit came in this cute little canvas bag. I just absolutely love these bags. It's not only good for storing your kit in when you're not using it, but you can just use it as an everyday bag, take it to your farmer's markets, fill it up with some awesome produce. Love, love, love these bags. Actually use a local girl to me. She's a small business owner as well, so she makes these canvas bags for us. So you're supporting 2 small family businesses. All right, let's take a look at what is inside these kits. You're first gonna see probably your bag of soil. This is actually the soil that I use in my microgreens business. It is a high quality organic germination mix called SunGrow. You are going to get this booklet I put together. It tells you what microgreens are, the benefits of eating microgreens, and it also talks a little bit about each variety that comes in your kit. You obviously know that the QR code is in the back of the book that will direct you back to these videos when you need to revisit them. There's a quick reference guide in here. This will just keep you on track throughout your growing cycle. We decided to offer 4 varieties of seeds in your microgreen grow kits. You will notice that the pea shoot package looks a little bit different. The instructions are actually on the outside of the package. That is because we have revamped these kits since we originally created them and added a new variety. So these kits used to only have 3 varieties, but we've added a 4th one. So that's why this one looks a little bit different. I do want to tell you up front, these 2 seeds you're actually going to need to soak before you start planting. So your pea shoot seed, you're going to soak the night before, 8 to 12 hours. Your sunflowers, you're going to soak 2 hours before planting. The other 2 varieties that come in your kit are microgreen broccoli and our salad mix. In the salad mix, it's a beautiful blend of broccoli, kale, cabbage, kohlrabi, and arugula. These seed packets are pre-measured for the trays that come in your kit. A cute little logo sticker that you can put on your water jug or on your refrigerator. Who doesn't love a cute logo sticker? you have your microgreen trays. These are bootstrap farmer trays. You have 2 sets of trays here, 2 with holes and 2 without holes. I'll explain how you use these a little bit later. These trays are made in America. They're BPA free. They are very, very heavy duty and sturdy. So you'll be able to use these trays over and over again and continue to grow your microgreens. All right, now I'm ready to start showing you how to plant your microgreens. This is going to be a very thorough step-by-step process for you. I'm a very visual person, so I thought creating these videos would definitely help out in the process of teaching you how to grow microgreens. A couple things that you're going to need before you start planting that was not included in the kit. Water. I use filtered water on my microgreens. I use this handy dandy little pump sprayer. You can use like a water squirter too. You can use your outdoor hose if you have that. I just love using this. Okay, you will need some type of weight. I have these pavers on hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I use these today. You could also use some rock that you have outdoors or just something heavy that you can place on top of your microgreens. These probably weigh, I don't know, around 10 pounds put together. Well, I would say more than that. But that just goes to show you how heavy the weight can be that you put on top of your microgreens. So you'll need something heavy and you'll need some water, and let's go ahead and start planting.